Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope all of you are fine. This is 8th class English and now today we are having 10th lesson. And today we are going to talk about present simple which we have covered something about present simple in our last video. Translation of Urdu sentences. Clear? This is our base topic for today. Overview. You have to keep it in your mind that what we are going to do, कि हम क्या करने जा रहे हैं. First is how to perform present simple that we have covered last day. We are going to revise it today again. And when to use present simple, कि इसको कहाँ और कब इस्तेमाल करना है. Clear? Now, good to know is list of pronoun that you have covered last day. First person singular. Do you remember? I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Clear? कल हमने इनके नाम पढ़े थे. What are the names? Divide किया था इनको. What are the names of these pronouns? So first person singular I, second person singular you, third person singular he, she and it. And I have told you कि आप इन तीनों को अच्छी तरह से याद करें. Third person singular को अच्छी तरह से he, she, it singular noun, he, she, it singular noun, he, she, it singular noun, like this. Okay, and first person plural we, second person plural you, third person plural they. Clear? So you need to keep in your mind these pronouns. And key verb for present simple. Formation, rules and formation of present simple. 5 key points for present. First is helping verb that we use in negative or interrogatives, do or does. We didn't use it in affirmative sentences. Simple sentences में इसको इस्तेमाल नहीं करते. The second thing is form of verb. हमेशा first form use करते हैं. And the change is use of s or es with third person singular in affirmatives. Clear? Only affirmative sentences के अंदर verb के साथ s और es का इजाफा करते हैं, जो कि आपको कल तफसील के साथ that we have covered last day. And the next formation, subject plus verb first plus object. Example, he writes a letter. Clear? Now you can see he, third person singular, write के साथ s. I write a letter. Next, third person singular he, she, it is having some exceptional cases. क्या थे वो? If verb ends in double s, x, ch, sh, double z, o, क्या होगा फिर? First form of verb plus es. Clear? तो first form of verb के साथ es का इजाफा करेंगे. For example, he misses his friends. Now you can see double s at the end of first form. She teaches English. And he watches TV. She goes to school. Clear? So this was about use of s or es. Very important thing. Next, present simple in question. Present simple तो हमने कल पढ़ लिए थे affirmative. Now today we are going to learn about present simple in questions. कि question में कैसे होगा. Do you know, I have told you that we have to use do or does to make question of present simple. With first and second person singular, we always use do plus first form of verb infinitive form. Clear? Formation फिर क्या हो जाएगी इसकी? Then formation will be do plus subject plus verb first plus object. Look at the example. First person और second person के साथ. Do I swim in the river? Do you read the newspaper? Now you can see do you, second person. So we have put it here do. Do लगाया उससे पहले. Clear? Okay. Next, present simple in question with all plural persons. जब plural हो सारे. Clear? And the previous was about first person singular and second person singular. और अब है जब person plural हो तो फिर क्या होगा? do plus first form of verb, infinitive form. So formation will be do plus subject plus verb first plus object. Look at the example, you may understand. Do we walk to school? Do we walk to school? We, first person plural. Yes. Do you ride your bikes? Yes. You, second person plural. And do they study English? Now you can see they, third person plural. Do. Clear? Now present simple in question with third person singular. He, she, it या फिर name. इनके साथ singular noun हो या फिर. Clear? So the formation will be does plus first form of verb without s or es. Very important thing कि जब does use करेंगे, when we use does in the interrogative or negative sentences, we may say we may use without s or es. So formation will be does plus subject plus verb first plus object. Now example is, does he walk home? Now do you remember that if we make simple, we will say he walks to home. Clear? And now we will say does he walk to home, and does she play hockey, third person singular, he or she. Does it rain on Sunday? Clear? We are using does here with the third person singular. Okay, next, present simple in negations. Clear? Negative बनाने के लिए what we will do with first person and second person singular, do not and first form of verb, infinitive form. Clear? And formation will be like this, subject plus do. Do you remember question में क्या था? Does or do was the beginning of the sentence. उस वक्त वो start में थे, but now they will come at the after the subject. Subject plus do not plus verb first plus object. Clear? Look at the example. I do not swim in the river. I, first form of first person. Clear? Do not. And you do not read the newspaper. Clear? You, second person, do not के साथ. Next, with all plurals, we are making negations with all plural persons. First person singular हो गया, second person singular हो गया, and now plurals. Do not plus first form of verb, infinitive form, and the formation will be subject plus do not plus verb first plus object. Look at the example. We do not walk to school. You do not ride your bikes. Clear? You, plural. And now they do not study English. Clear? Okay, next. Present simple in negation with third person singular, he, she or it. Do not plus first form of verb, and formation will be subject plus does not. Does not plus first form of verb, and formation will be subject plus does not plus verb first plus object. Clear? Okay, look at the example, you may understand. He does not walk to home. Clear? And she does not play hockey. Does not, singular, third person singular. Clear? And it does not rain on Sunday. Clear? Now you can see we are not going to use s or es here. Clear? Okay, move towards the next step. Let's have some practice. Translate into English. Keep it in your mind that कि आप इस काबिल हो कि find out subject, verb and object from the Urdu sentence. Clear? And Nasima सच नहीं बोलती है. You have to make negative. And क्या नसीमा सच बोलती है? Also you have to make question sentence. Okay, look at the example. Nasima speaks the truth. Now Nasima here is singular noun. So that's why we have used s with the speak. Clear? Speaks the truth. Nasima does not speak the truth. Now you can see does not. Why? Because of singular noun. And does Nasima speak the truth? Clear? So keep it in your mind. Formation and rules of use of do and does, and use of s or es. You need to keep in your mind these three things. Formation पता हो, do does का use पता हो, और s और es का use पता हो. Clear? Okay, let's have your homework and daily diary. अमीर आदमी गरीबों को हिकारत की निगाह से देखता है. बच्चे चिड़ियाघर की सैर करते हैं. What thing you need to do is to find out subject, verb and object from these sentences, and extra information will be putting at the end of the sentence. Clear? अमीर आदमी गरीबों को हकारत की निगाह से देखता है. Now you can see हकारत की निगाह से देखता है, ये आपका verb है. अमीर आदमी is subject here and गरीबों को is object here. Clear? Same like in the next and third sentence, मेरा दोस्त मुझे हमेशा सही मशवरा देता है. And next one is ये दुकानदार घटिया माल बेचता है. Clear? Okay, look at the sentences. The rich man looks down upon the poor. Clear? The rich man looks. Now you can see with the first form of verb we have used s here. Clear? Children enjoy the trip to the zoo. Clear? Enjoy children. This is plural noun, so that's why we cannot use s or es with the verb enjoy. And my friend always advises me rightly. Clear? The next is this shopkeeper sells the substandard goods. Clear? घटिया माल बेचता है. Now you can see with the verb s, and you can find out that these are singular nouns. Clear? And now next one is शिकारी हर परिंदे पर निशाना बांधता है. The hunter aims at every bird. Clear? The hunter aims at every bird. Now the thing that you have to do is to write down these sentences on your notebook and also make negative and interrogative of given sentences. Clear? इनके interrogative भी आप बनाएंगे और negative भी, because you are having formation with you. Clear? कि do or does का use करेंगे at the beginning in the question sentences and after the subject in the negative sentences. Clear? और do कहाँ करेंगे और does कहाँ करेंगे? Does we always use with he, she, it or singular noun, third person singular. Clear? और es का इजाफा भी वहीं पर करेंगे. Clear? I hope you all are understand. So keep remember us in your prayer. Thank you so much.